Hey guys, so we have here our new water pump for our house. So in this case, this is here from Lucky Pro. This is the SMP 370C Smart Pump and Cover. So in this video, I want to take a look, or first look at what comes with this pump. So first we have here this little blue cover that's going to protect the pump when we're using it. Also has some ventilation holes and it's supposed to keep the noise level down. Then we have here the instructions manual and warranty information. And then here we already have the pump itself. So let's take this out of the box. So of course it does come with a power plug. The plug here has about a 1 meter long cable. And then let's take a look at this label here. So the maximum rated head is 22 meters, so that means we can push the water up to 22 meters high, and then the suction head is 8 meters, so we can pull the water from a depth from up to 8 meters, so that gives us a total of 30 meters that we can lift the water. And the maximum flow rate is up to 4,200 liters per hour. Okay, so then we have here also this Energy Star label, which is actually 0 stars, so it's not really energy efficient. Then we have here another sticker on here informing us about all the safety measurements, safety features that this pump comes with. And this sticker is right on the pressure tank, and on the back side of the pressure tank, under this little cover, we find a Schrader valve. So in case you have problems with short cycling of your pump at home, so that you may have to look into the water, into the air bladder that's inside of this pressure tank, so your pressure from the air may not be right. So then here on the bottom we have the electrical motor. There's a lot of cooling elements attached to it. And then here we have the water side of the pump. So we have here 2 inlets, or we have here 1 inlet on the bottom. This is right now here still protected by this little plastic cover. We're going to take that off and discard it. So this is where the water is being sucked into the pump. And then right on top of that here is another cover. We're going to take that off. This is the outlet. This is where the water comes out with pressure. And then in case you do want to drain, or you have to drain your pump in the winter, then you have here 2 screws, one on top here. You can take this off to let the air in, and then here on the bottom, this is the drain plug. So this is where the water will come out in case you do need to drain it. Then on top here we find 2 switches. The one here on the sticking out to the right, that's the pressure switch. And then the one that's here on top, that's the water flow control switch. So this is safety mechanism in case something is going wrong. So here the pressure switch, we can take that cover off. And we can see the insides. Not much going on here, just a lot of plastic, a couple of wires. And now this is what the pump looks like after we installed it here at home. So we are going to take off the cover. So you see the cover is really dirty, but the pump itself is kind of clean still. So the cover really does its job. And then you're supposed to bolt down the pump on the ground. So I still have to do that. I didn't do that yet. And then here we have the PVC pipe connections in our case here. So in this region, PVC pipe is prevalent. And this is what the pump sounds like in operation. And now let's try it one more time with the plastic cover installed. And that makes it actually noticeably louder, and that's just because the cover is touching the pump at some position at some point, and that creates a vibration. Yeah, so this is it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.